Over the past few months, police inefficiency has again come under the spotlight due to the collapse of a number of high-profile cases. While the police tasked with investigating, providing evidence and arresting, and the National Prosecuting Authority simply unable to make the charges stick due to half-cooked investigations. Yet another prominent case thrown out of court.
There is no evidence that the accused, who are alleged to have been planning a coup and had the military capacity to execute such a coup.
5 of the 20 men arrested in Limpopo in 2013 on charges of plotting to overthrow the DRC government set free. 15 others were acquitted last year after the state's case crumbled. And then, having to drop all the charges against the only man arrested in connection with soccer star Senzo Meyiwa's murder, another embarrassment for police and the National Prosecuting Authority. To date, there appears to be little progress in nabbing the killers of the Orlando Pirates captain.
That he was currently receiving.
The state also failed to secure a murder conviction in the trial of Oscar Pistorius. He was found guilty of culpable homicide for killing his girlfriend Riva Steenkamp.
Most of the cases that we've got are as a result of poor police investigative procedures at the scene of the crime.
In another case, British businessman Shreen Dewani was also acquitted of any involvement in the 2010 murder of his wife Annie. The judge found that the state's case against him was weak.
I lay the blame squarely in the first instance at the feet of the police. There's a culture of they get a complaint, they open a docket and they arrest immediately the suspect without investigating. We've got improperly or inadequately trained police who do very poor investigations.
In a statement to the SABC, police acknowledge that they've not had a good showing in some high-profile cases. But they say that over 80% of the cases they investigate lead to a conviction. They take issue with the suggestion that police arrest first and investigate later. And the police commissioner's office says it takes time to train detectives. Meanwhile, the National Prosecuting Authority said it would comment later on the reasons for the collapse of the high-profile cases. Griselda Lewis, SABC News in Johannesburg.